be patient. There are still jobs, but what you have learned over the past few days, your resume has to be customized. Okay, JobsDB, the website, they have a function where you can mass email, but like what Stephen has said earlier, you do not mass email to all the jobs that you want to apply. One of the tricks is to make sure that you group them into different genres. Take for example, if you want to mass emails to all the marketing and communications, you make sure your resume is tailored to the marketing and communications job functions. Keywords are very important here, because what happens is that a lot of either HR practitioners or recruitment agency, they go by keyword search. So take for example marketing communications, one of the more important keywords will be like branding or advertising and promotion. So if you do not have those keywords in there, if let's say they're going to search, then your resume is not going to be out. And if you're going to apply, make sure it's tailored to the specific job function. Try not to mass email and understand the job requirements, because sometimes the requirements are different, though they may be all under marketing and communication. Read the job functions. If it's relevant to the resume that you're sending out, then yes, you probably can do a mass email. If it's not, do not do a mass email, because what happens is that the moment we receive a resume and there is no specific, it's not relevant, usually we're not called up for interview. So to maximize your chance to get a face-to-face interview, make sure you customize and make sure the keywords are in there. Read the job functions, that is very important. One of the mistakes that most job seekers make, especially the junior people, is that they don't read the job functions and then they mass email out thinking that they want to apply for the job, they have the relevant experience. Sometimes you do, but you did not put it down in your resume. They may convert the contract positions into a permanent positions. So do not eliminate the contract jobs. Once thinking that that's an eliminated job, contract jobs, you don't have to do it. Bearing in mind, last Saturday I was at this Careers at Singapore networking event. Some of the big accounting firms, they are going on contract jobs as well. But what happens is that when times are good, they convert them. So it's that opportunity there, it's for you to showcase whatever skills you have, whatever experience you have, and to secure a permanent position. Let's say the situation improves and there's an opening. If there isn't, sometimes they can do referral, very important. So do not disqualify that, and do a call and make sure that you send out the relevant resume. Having a very powerful search engine like JobsDB, it's like almost like half a job done already. But right now it's on your part to comb through, read through the job functions, understand it, and make sure you cater your resume accordingly, and then send it out. What other things? One of the other tricks you can do is to, let's say the company is recruiting, call up the company, send out directly to the HR manager. Okay, so this is some of the tricks you can do so that to maximize your chance of getting an interview.